All right, so today we're talking about tires, and we're talking about checking tires, and we're talking about looking at the wear pattern of the tire. Okay, so when you're looking at the tire, you're looking at the tread, and you're looking at how the tread wears. You can see on this tire here that the outside of the tire, the side where the rim is, you can tell that it's actually wearing quicker and unevenly compared to the inside. So what I'm looking at from the left side of the tire to the right side of the tire, how evenly the tread is wearing across the tires. So this is something you'd want to take into your shop to let them check your suspension, check your ball joints, check your steering components, and then do an alignment on it. If it was wearing on the inside and only the inside of the tire, that would indicate that the tire is overinflated. If it's wearing on both outer edges, then that would indicate that the tire is underinflated. When you see wear on one side versus the other, then that means that you have a suspension or a steering issue.